right, so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this set of pickleball paddles. So inside of this little plastic is 2 fiberglass paddles. Get it out of this. Very nice carrying case. Got a little handle here as well as a handle here. Beautiful company logo, and then you can fit some extra stuff here if you need. Love the little zippers, and we can slide out everything. Look at that, we got 4 lovely green pickleball. Love the logo myself. I'm a logo guy, so I think everything should have a logo when you're selling, and that's just me. And let's get out our paddles, and I think that's it for in here. There is a little extra pocket here if needed, but that's basically it. All right, so here's one paddle. Nice pickleball paddle. Wow, pickleball is definitely a different sport. I have got to play it. Love it. Love the logo on the side, logo right in the front. These are made out of fiberglass. Handle is nice and grippy. Absolutely love that. Then here's our second one. There we are. 2 pickleball paddles with 4 balls in a carrying case. Absolutely everything you should need for you and someone else to play pickleball. So again, special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you exactly what comes inside of here. And thank you all for watching. Enjoy your game of pickleball, and we'll see you in the next video. Deuces.